MACOM makes high-reliability, high-frequency electronic components for some of the most critical applications. Many of its products must withstand extreme environments. MACOM's customers cannot accept delays in product deliveries, so it needs a reliable welding partner that can meet spec and meet it on time. That's the challenge for EB Industries. And EB Industries' precision welding expertise answers the call to deliver for MACOM. To ensure the highest quality, EB Industries works with MACOM to perform laser hermetic sealing in an ESD and foreign object debris-free room. Packaged assemblies are vacuum baked to ensure the internal oxygen and moisture content is below 1 part per million, a level unachievable by other sealing methods. The laser welding is conducted in a nitrogen and helium-based environment. EB Industries verifies proper sealing on all electronic packages using helium mass spectrometer leak testing to deliver the highest quality product. MACOM depends on EB Industries for all its high reliability semiconductor sealing requirements. And Tamara Foley, Principal Supply Chain Manager for MACOM, points to 4 reasons why: excellent quality, responsiveness, shorter lead times, and on-time delivery.
We need EB Industries, and I certainly appreciate their willingness to work with us. Prior to switching to EB Industries, lead times from other laser welding manufacturers had been long and unreliable. We do not have that problem with EB. In fact, we found they have the flexibility and capacity to respond to rush requests when our material suppliers deliver late. What's great about EB Industries is they do what they say they're going to do. That consistent on-time delivery allows us to plan our revenue and meet our customers' needs. We made the switch to EB and use them for all our laser sealing. I highly recommend EB Industries for laser sealing.
For more information on laser sealing, laser welding, or electron beam welding technology, visit us at ebindustries.com.